What's going on, guys? This is Alex and we are back at Accessories International. Today we're really excited to show you the newest addition that we've added to our C350 Mercedes Benz, and that's our DMP AMG style Mercedes Benz steering wheel. Now what I love about this wheel is that it is 100% customizable. We're able to do everything on the steering wheel when it comes to customizing, and that's including the materials that we're using, the colors that we're using. So if you want perforated leather, smooth leather, the stitching design if you want it to be a certain color, if you want an LED panel to show your RPMs on the top, if you want the actual airbag and Mercedes logo to be a different color, this AMG panel, the silver here, even up to the thickness of the wheel. If you want your wheel to be a little bit thicker or thinner depending on your taste, we can do it all. Guys, now we installed the steering wheel on our C350, but the wheels work on virtually any Mercedes model. So whether you're looking for style, comfort, or performance, the wheel's gonna have you covered with a great blend of luxury and functionality. Now guys, we are Accessories International. We're based out of the US. We're in Miami, Florida. We've been doing this since 1998. So when it comes to the ordering process of these custom steering wheels, we'll walk you through the whole thing. We actually encourage you to call in for these complexities. We like to make sure that we're getting it right. And you can reach us at 786-242-5400. Guys, here at Accessories, we truly offer a wide variety of customization options to really make these wheels uniquely yours. Just a few examples of the wheels in front of us. You can choose your carbon fiber color, your side panel materials, thread colors, center stripe, and you can even add an LED gauge or extended shift paddles. Whatever your style might be, we can make it happen. Looking at the wheels in front of us, we got the carbon fiber uppers here, perforated leather on the sides. We got an LED panel up top, some nice yellow stitching. On this side, you can see we have more of a light theme going on with the light leather look. And on this side, we have the brown theme going on with the brown leather look. Guys, again, we can match up these leathers to your interior. We'll send you samples so you can choose exactly which one you like best, and we'll make it happen with the wheel. And when you order your wheels from us, everything is gonna be made specific to your car model. So if you have lane change assist, if you have heating controls, whatever your vehicle includes, we're gonna make sure this wheel comes pre-programmed with the correct harnesses for an easy plug and play install, and to avoid getting any of those error lights that may come up on your dash if you have the wrong model wheel. Guys, and with that brief overview, let's get to the install and show you how it's done. To begin the installation, we'll start by removing the original Mercedes wheel. Get a screwdriver and locate the back end of the wheel around the foam. If you feel around the foam area, you can feel a small dimple where you can push the screwdriver through to activate the release mechanism. We'll demonstrate how this release mechanism works here. By inserting the screwdriver, you have to get it into the correct slot. You can see the small dimple here where the screwdriver enters. It has to be positioned in the exact correct angle. If it is off by even just a bit, you will not be able to get inside the slot needed to activate the release. As you can see here, once you locate the correct angle, you'll be able to push the screwdriver through and activate the mechanism. This is the slot which you need to enter into. We recommend analyzing the back of the foam to locate that dimple and feel around with your hand to make sure that you found the correct place. Once you have poked the hole through the foam, make sure to angle the screwdriver in a variety of different positions until you feel the slot and can easily push the screwdriver through. You can do the same process for the other side to completely release the airbag. With the airbag cover off, now remove the two electrical connections. With the airbag cover removed, now remove the center bolt from the steering wheel to completely free it. We like to use a breaker bar to get the extra leverage to make this process easier. Now grab your new DMP steering wheel and secure the center bolt in place. We suggest using Loctite for a secure fit. Then grab the airbag and connect the 2 electrical connectors into the back. Enjoy your new DMP car design AMG style steering wheel. Ensure that all of the buttons are working and that no error lights have appeared on your dash. If you have any issues and you purchase the wheel with us, remember we provide lifetime support included with your purchase. Give us a call and we'll make sure to get it taken care of. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.